In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ticketmaster gift card. Redeem Ticketmaster gift cards. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to Ticketmaster's official website. Make sure you're on the correct regional site for your country so prices and payment options appear correctly. Once the homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner and click My Account. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Go ahead and sign in with your existing account. If you already stay signed in on your device, you'll go straight to your account menu. From that menu, select My Profile. This takes you to the central place where you manage your personal details, payment options, and gift cards. On this page, find and click Gift Cards and Promo Codes. This is where Ticketmaster lets you store and check gift card balances and promo codes tied to your account. Now, locate the field labeled Gift Card Number. Carefully type the full number from your gift card. If it's a physical card, the number is usually on the front. If it's a digital card, it will be in the email or message you received. Enter the digits exactly as shown. Avoid spaces or dashes unless the field accepts them automatically, and double check for common mistakes like confusing 0 and the letter O. Treat this information like you would any payment detail. Don't share it publicly. Next, enter the PIN number. For physical cards, the PIN is often on the back under a scratch-off panel. For e-gift cards, it will be included with the card details you received. Type the PIN exactly as shown and keep it private. When both the gift card number and PIN are in place, click Check Balance. After a moment, Ticketmaster will display the available balance on that card. If the balance shows as 0 or you see an error, verify the number and PIN, ensure you're using the correct regional site, and try again. If issues persist, contact Ticketmaster support and have your card details handy, but never share them in public forums. From here, your balance is ready to use. When you purchase tickets, you'll be able to apply the gift card at checkout. If you've saved the card in your profile, it may appear as a payment option. Otherwise, simply re-enter the number and PIN during checkout. Keep in mind that availability and terms can vary by event and region, so review the fine print on your card and the event page. That's it, your Ticketmaster gift card is checked and ready. Enjoy your next event.